Hi all. Already my friends are there. Namaste. This is your foodie chef Swagata. As usual, I'm back with my food show with Amul, and today I'm going to make stuffed cheesy capsicum and a very nice salad with it. That is veg mayo salad, and this is a very nice day. Yesterday we got the gold, and I'm so happy. Pankaj, he has done outstanding thing for India, and we must celebrate. So I dedicate today's total show, my food show, for the champs, the Indian women's hockey team as well the men's hockey team, and Pankaj Chopra, Neeraj Chopra, and sorry, it's Neeraj Chopra, and Neeraj Chopra. I am very sorry. And let me sum up the thing, and then I will come back to my food show. And all the ingredients I will show it to you. For capsicum stuff, I will start with it. And this is Amul show, and I'm coming back and back, and this is a lovely experience, and I'm in top of the world just for this medal. We have got gold medal, and this is outstanding performance. And let me start. Today's first thing is capsicum stuff. So these are the ingredients I need. क्या क्या है देखिए, सब कुछ इधर है. These are the capsicum. It's blanched capsicums, carrots. This is sweet corn, garlic. This is cheese, and some mustard seeds, that is sarso, and salt, of course. Green chilies, red chili powder, and this is ubale hue aloo, that is potato, boiled potato, and carrot. This I don't need now. I have to make the salad, then I will need. And obviously this is Amul paneer, Amul cheese, Amul dahi, and chocolate. We have lots and lots of Amul product, and we need it always. So I will start now. Firstly, I will make this thing to fill up all this. Just see, already I have done this thing. I will start with olive oil. You can use white oil. अब जो भी oil आपके पास हो, white oil you can use. So I am making the feeler first, okay? This is the mustard seeds. I will add little सरसों के दाने. Yeah. Yeah. I'm adding this thing. Then I will add some chopped green chilies. Then some garlic. Yeah, then some garlic I will add. So, mainly what I have put till now, this is sarson ke dane, that is mustard seeds, then seeds and some garlic and some chopped green chilies. So now I will add the carrot. Okay, this will go on. Because for the feeders, I need a crunchiness. When you will give a bite, you will get that crunchiness. And in top, the cheese will go. So it will be a superb thing. I hope my friends are joining. So hi to all. I'm busy with my cooking. And it's namaste from your chef Swagata. And ये जो है ना पूरा फेस्टिव मूड है मेरा, क्योंकि इंडिया का गोल्ड हो गया yesterday, तो इसके बाद तो पूरा लग रहा था कब हम आएंगे आप लोगों के साथ मीट करेंगे. Yeah, I was just waiting. It's and celebration, you know, without people celebration can't happen. So I was waiting to just join you. So this is totally dedicated for the gold medalist and for all, even who tried, came fourth. The golfer was a girl who came fourth, but she also tried so well. And this is really, it's a splendid thing. And you know, our sponsor for the Olympic, one of the sponsors is Amul, and so we are here as a chef, and we are blessed that all the chefs are worldwide is in this platform with Amul. It's a lovely experience altogether, and you know, cooking is heavenly. This is cooking is heavenly, and you can follow me on Facebook, Insta, and obviously my YouTube channel. It's all in the name of Cooking is Heavenly. So follow me, and I'm there with you. I'm coming back and back with you. And this episode, I dedicate this episode for Neeraj Chopra and for all who are there in the lead, who came with the medal and who tried for the medal. I mean it, who tried for the medal also. They are equally lovable. They're the champ of India. The girls hockey team, the boys hockey team, it's superb. I really can't tell any other thing than Olympic. It's lovely experience. Now I'm going to add this boiled potato. Yeah. The feeding, I am just doing the feeding for my capsicum stuff. The stuff, I am doing the stuff actually. This is stuffed cheese, capsicum, cheesy capsicum stuff, whatever you can say. It's a lovely dish, and with that I will just give you a total platter that you don't need anything else. A total meal will be there today. I will serve it because I am serving for our Olympic team. So, Team India. Lastly, I will add this one. This is the sweet corn. Just see, it's a lovely aroma is coming because garlic is there, chilies are there, and this is boiled potato. And what I am making, you know already, this is I will make cheesy capsicum stuff. This stuffed cheesy capsicum goes well with rice, with mainly breads. So it's you can add in your meal, and it's a complete meal. And today I will serve it for Team India. I have added the sweet corn. This is a red chili powder I am using, little. Look at the color, it's nice. Let me see my friends are there, I hope. Yeah. उमेश जी नमस्ते, महावीर जी, मीता जी नमस्ते, अशोक जी नमस्ते. Oh my, so many friends, I'm so glad. This is Momi ji, and this is Seema ji, Shilpa ji namaste, Savita ji, Rahin ji, Rajendra ji namaste, Moshimi ji, Jay Palish ji, Jay Palshin ji, okay. नमस्ते अरुण जी, बेला जी, कल्पना जी, योगिता जी, दीपिका जी, दीक्षा जी, राइट, दीक्षा जी नमस्ते. दिस इज योर फूडी शेफ स्वागता. Always if you want to catch me, just go to Cooking is Heavenly in Facebook, and I am with Amul. I am doing so many shows with Amul. It's a lovely experience with you all. Yeah, you can see, I guess, Cooking is Heavenly. Yeah, Rupesh ji, Rita ji, Vaibhavimal ji, Namaste. Asha ji, welcome to my show. Absal ji, Mayank ji, Abdul ji, Shipra ji, Dipali ji, Namaste. Welcome to my show. We are celebrating this Olympics goal, so I am dedicating today's dish to the Olympians who are there, the entire Indian team, and obviously Neeraj Chopra. Raghu ji, Nagma ji, Jal ji, Archana ji, Vikram ji, Kamaljeet जी, हरप्रीत जी, रेखा जी, संगीता जी, रंजा जी, namaste and welcome to my show. It's nice experience, you know. Akola ji, Maya ji, Anjana ji, Manali ji, Clayton ji, Surinder, Ranja, welcome to my show. Gayatri ji, नमस्ते. अर्चना जी नमस्ते. निशा जी नमस्ते. जैक, नतीश, सुनीता, welcome to my show. It's lovely to be here with you. And what's my cooking? I'm cooking today's dish is stuffed cheesy capsicum, right? Yeah, I will show you what the cooking is going on. I will show you obviously. It's almost done. The feeder is almost done. Now I will ready for the stuff, and let me add some oil. You need this kind of utensils for my. You can take whatever you have, but this thing is. I am using this type of pan. You can use whatever you have. So I am adding some oil to it. I am using olive oil. You can use white oil as well. There is no. You know I am a psychologist. So www.psychologicalways.com. This is my website, www.psychologicalways.com. If you have any health queries, always write to me. I am there in Insta, I am there in Facebook. Wherever you can contact me. And obviously in this website you will get everything, my phone number to all. You can contact me if you need some help and any health queries if you have. Look at the color, and it is giving a lovely aroma. Just see. Look. Yeah, this will be our feeders. Yeah. Now it's done. I will peel all the capsicum for my stuff. It is such a nice smell and aroma is coming, and when you will do, you will get to know that it's really cooking is heavenly, right? This capsicum are blanched. That means this capsicum are little boiled. थोड़ा इसको उबाल के रखा है, इसलिए ये थोड़ा सॉफ्ट हो गया. So now I am stuffing the capsicum. It's hot from the pan. I always love to do everything in front of the camera. So you can know everything. Because if you want to do, if I prepare pre-done cooking is good for me. I don't have to do very hectic thing in front of the camera. But it is not good for you. So I try to do everything in front of camera. So that you can do it at your home, at your restaurant, wherever you want, and you can do another thing, always write to me, okay? So I will be connected with you if you write and if you have prepared my dish. So it gives a very inner peace, a pleasure, because we all cook for it's a very lovely experience, you know, when people take the food and they're so satisfied. It gives inner peace. So cooking is heavenly, you know. Yeah, it's done. It's very hot. वो जब गिर रहा है ना थोड़ा थोड़ा करके, तो मेरे हाथ में थोड़ा थोड़ा दर्द भी हो रहा है, हाँ. But I am trying to do in front of you. Just see, it's all done. It's all stuffed. Now I will add the cheese. Cheese, Amul cheese I am using obviously, and cheese you can add whatever amount you want, because cheese gives you a real texture, and when it melts, oh wow. So it's done. Now I will put it. I think now you can see well. One by one I will put them. साउंड आप लोगों के पास आ रहा है ना, देखिए कितना सुंदर सिमर हो रहा है. It will take 5 to 7 minutes, or let it be 10 minutes, not more than that. Just see. With the lid on, it's done. Now I will go for my salad section. Let me start preparing for the salads. I don't need all this. What I need, I will keep. This is pure Amul dahi. You can see over here. This is cucumber. आप लोग क्या बोलते हैं? खीरा, right? This is carrot. This is carrot. Some cherries for decoration. And mayonnaise, the main dish. Main deep actually is mayonnaise. This is mayo salad I will do. So for this I need a good big bowl to add everything, and I need this tomato. Let me add everything. So ये जो गाजर है वो अंदर जा रहा है, कैरेट्स, then cucumber, then the tomato, see it's going on. This thing is cheese is already in a melting point. Yeah. I will add some green chilies to it. Here are the green chilies. हाय विदित्तो जी नमस्ते, नेहा जी नमस्ते, मदन जी नमस्ते, जसू जी नमस्ते, एंड पायल जी नमस्ते. The recipe name is this is stuffed cheesy capsicum, and this is a veg mayo salad that I am preparing. Capsicum is already done. I have given all the ingredients the way I have prepared. Again I will write it down for you, obviously. So now I will add the curd. In goes the curd. Amul dahi. I will add some salt. Okay, can you hear me now properly? Because my camera person is a little bit, he is not close to me. So you just come close to me so that everybody can hear me. I hope you can hear me. Now I will add the mayonnaise. Okay, this is pure veg mayonnaise I am using. Yeah, some garlic I will add. Rest of the will go. So what I have used is carrot, basically carrot, cucumber, tomato, and Amul dahi. This is over here, Amul dahi, and mayonnaise, and some salt, and I've added some garlic also for the taste. And my stuffed capsicum is going on. Just see, the cheese are melting. Yeah. Now lastly I will add some red chili powder. And I will sprinkle oregano. This is oregano. This thing is oregano. So oregano is very much available, and nowadays you can get it in any mall, any shop. So I'm adding some oregano. And I will add some chili flakes. And lastly, the cherries goes in. It's done. The salt, the amount, it's salt for taste. Actually, I've used salt already. I've added a little bit more. I hope now you can hear me. The camera person is closer to me now, and I hope my voice is reaching towards you. So I dedicate this dish for Indian Olympic team, and this goes for Neeraj and the entire hockey team, women's hockey team as well as men's hockey team. And my main concern is that whoever wins, it's wonderful, and whoever there who tried for India, I'm very happy for them, and I dedicate this dish for all Olympians. We're very happy. Here I am. I hope you can, yeah. Hi Ritu ji, namaste. Meeta ji, Devendranath ji, Razia ji, Aditya ji, Wanga ji, Anand ji, नमस्ते. मैं हूँ आपका फूडी शेफ. आई एम योर फूडी शेफ स्वागता, and it's wonderful over here in the platform of Amul, and I'm cooking. This is capsicum, stuffed cheesy capsicum, and with it a veg mayo salad is going. Cooking is heavenly. You can watch me in Insta and Facebook, and Cooking is Heavenly is my Facebook. In Facebook you can watch. This is my food blog. In YouTube you can search for Cooking is Heavenly. Always, if you go to YouTube search, always give Swagata's Cooking is Heavenly, because in this name many things can be there. But search for Swagata and then write Cooking is Heavenly. You will get it in YouTube, and in Facebook my food blog is there. That is also Cooking is Heavenly. So it's lovely with Amul, And you know Amul from our childhood days, we are using Amul butter, cheese, and paneer. It's dairy for dairy. And now Amul has so many chocolates, so many ice creams, and so many more things. And we are so happy that Amul is the official sponsor of this Olympic. And it's a congrats to Amul event for such a lovely experience with Amul and doing this show. And I'm coming back and back with Amul. So many more shows will come on and you will watch me. Let's see. खोलो ढक्कन ज़ुबी ज़ुबी डू जिंदगी मक्खन खोलो ढक्कन ज़ुबी ज़ुबी डू जिंदगी मक्खन. This is our Amul show. So here goes the Amul song, and look, this dish is done. This is stuffed cheesy capsicum. It's done. Let's plate this thing. Okay, I will add something with it because I told you this is for Team India, right? Let me do the plating then. This is some toast, garlic toast. Now I will add the capsicum stuff and I will add yeah, this is the mayo salad. It's directly hot from the pan, goes to the plate. I'm doing my plating now. Stuffed cheesy capsicum goes in. This is tilting, I guess. Just see. And I will add some lemonade. Lemonade, if you watch my shows with Amul, you have already know the recipe of lemonade. Lemonade is done in my last show. So today I am just adding the lemonade. And if you need the recipe of lemonade, this drink, You just go for Catch My Show with Amul, you will get it. Just last show is with Amul, and where I have prepared lemonade. Just see. Ruby ji, namaste. Actually, I was missing you. You were not there in my last show, you know. Yeah, I was missing you. And today I'm doing some, I've done already. This is stuffed cheesy capsicum, some breads. This is garlic bread which I made early. And this is also done in front of you. This is a mayo salad, veg mayo salad, and I'm adding lemonade. So I will use some I've used some ice, and now I will add the lemonade. For lemonade recipe, you will get it in Amul. My last recipe, I've showed how to prepare lemonade and some popcorn, right? Paneer popcorn and lemonade I have prepared in my last Amul show. So it's a wonderful show with Amul is going, and I'm coming back and back. Look, today's total, it's a meal you can see, totally a meal, and it's looking wonderful. And I dedicate this total dish to Team India, Neeraj Chopra and rest of the players, and my women's hockey team as well, men's hockey team, and everybody, the wrestlers, two wrestlers I remember, the golfer, the girl I remember. I felt very, very nice with this Olympic, and they have done splendid, and it is a splendid experience, and Amul is the official sponsor, and I'm a chef and this platform with Amul, and just look at the dishes. Just see the spreads. It's an entire meal. It's a celebration with all. Yeah, Venkatesh ji, Aparna ji, Vikram ji, Abiru ji, Renu Sharma ji, namaste. Sheetal ji, Patil Falguni ji, Kiran ji, Sangeeta ji, Vidipto ji, and Ishan ji, Dhirendra Bera ji, namaste. Welcome to my show. I am your chef Swagata, and Watch Cooking is Heavenly. In my Insta handle, in my Facebook, I have seeing this is Cooking is Heavenly. Just see, there is my email, there is my mobile, and you know I am a psychologist, so www.psychologicalways.com, where you can, if you have any health queries, you can write down to me. It's a wonderful experience with you all and Amul, and I'm celebrating today for Team India for Olympics, and this is my dish. Yeah, this is my dish for them, for you all, and just see. I'm very, very happy today. Yesterday we won the gold, and this is a lovely experience, and you know cooking is always heavenly. It's a heavenly experience. And as a chef, today I am really feeling blessed with you all. And this is the lemonade. This entire meal for Team India from the chef Swagata, your foodie chef Swagata. And always watch me with Amul, with Cooking is Heavenly, and follow me on Facebook and Insta. And I'm coming back to back in Amul and in Amul Bangla also, and you can get to see me in Amul ice cream. So I'm there as a chef with you in every way, and when you need any kind of help, write to me. I'm there, and Cooking is Heavenly. I'm there in www.psychologicalways.com. So here is your chef with you. So happy for Team India, so happy for Amul, the official sponsor, and so happy as a chef with you all. It's a lovely experience. Bye for today. I'm coming back.